Assalamu alaikum everyone. I have been searching different methods to learn English language as quickly as possible for 2 years, and I have found a very good, simple, effective and easy way to learn this language quickly. And in today's video I am going to share with you what you have to do. You just have to do you have to describe your whole day to yourself, okay? Whatever happened in your all day, and whatever from morning to evening, okay? You have to describe it, and you have to do this these 2 times. You can do this while doing all day whole day working, but these 2 times are very effective to learn something new after getting up in the morning, and before going to the bed in evening, in the night, okay? So at the night, you have to, because these 2 times are whatever you learn in these 2 times, you memorize them, and it sit in your mind and you don't forget this, okay? So you just narrate yourself, talk to yourself, and you will improve your English by talking yourself and expose yourself to this language, okay? So it will help you indirectly to think in English, okay? Whatever, I am not saying you any pick up any difficult content and describe it. I am just saying that talk related to your life, and you are very familiar to yourself, your habits, your work. You don't need any assistance. You don't need to go to Google, because when we are given any random topic, we need to search from Google, okay, internet. So here you have to just talk about yourself, and it is a very easy and simple way. You will not take too much time, okay? You just have to talk about these things whole day. Now, like now I memorize these things which I do in my daily routine, like cooking. I know I have to, when I start making food, I have to pour some oil in pot, and then I have to add onions, and wait until they turn into brown, and then add garlic ginger paste, and these means these kind of things, okay? So I wanted to, when I was I started this learning, practicing and learning this language. I was sick of simple sentences like she sings, and I am going to there, and these kind of, okay, मैं जा रहा हूँ, वो गाती है, और जो है वो मुर्गी अंडे देती है, these kind of simple sentences. I wanted to learn something new which I can use in our daily everyday life, okay? And how we type of personalities people has, okay? People have. So I wanted to learn this. So I what now I am learning how I now a person, I have acquaintance with her, okay? I wanted to describe that 2 days ago. So I don't know how can I describe, I didn't know how I can could describe about her. So I just went to chat gpt, and I asked her. People know who are using chat gpt that there are all, and they are native, and they help with learners with English, okay, language. So I asked her, and he told me, he helped me. So that was like people who don't take revenge openly. They seek a perfect moment, and then they strike and take their revenge in a subtle and almost invisible way. that no one even realizes their true intention. Okay, and they appear very kind and speak with great warmth, making them seem benevolent, but underneath that facade they harbor a desire for revenge. Okay, and they bottled up, they keep their negative feelings bottled up until they have find a chance to act on them. Okay, so these kind of difficult sentences I didn't know about them, and I wanted to learn them. So that's how now I am learning, and my English is growing. So you can do this, you can do this. Okay, this is a very simple and easy way, and you can learn this way very quickly. So start learning like this, and you will not take much time. It is very easy. You can do it while doing your work. As you think in your own language, okay, just replace it with English language. Okay, start thinking in English. Okay, so that's what I wanted to share with you. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz.